Now available at McCarthy Cars 2008 BMW 3 Series 320i in grey metallic. Let's go xenon headlights, 17-inch BMW alloy wheels, it's got rear parking sensors, let's have a look inside the car. It's got full leather black interior, airbags on the back, it's got electric windows and mirrors, electric driver's seat, it's got a multi-function steering wheel with Bluetooth, cruise control, 69,000 miles on the clock. It's got radio and CD player, climate control, air conditioning, system start stop, 6-speed manual transmission, also airbags on the front. Aux in. To book a test drive, get more information about this car, please call McCarthy Cars.